Hello everyone, welcome to day 27 of Parenting Simplified with Shining Spiral. On day 22 we had spoken about children throwing tantrums and how to deal with that situation. Today we are going to talk about it in a deeper sense. The author of Simplicity Parenting, Kim John Payne, has given this situation a term, soul fever. This is a time when the child is overwhelmed, completely out of sorts, and is behaving in a manner which is not his real self. And unlike a tantrum, which may happen at a particular moment, the soul fever continues for many days. Now, as a parent, what do you do about it? First, notice. When you see that your child is not his real self, you need to realize it. When you notice it, it solves a lot of problems for the child. The child feels assured, reassured. He feels a bit of satisfaction that something that is happening to him which he himself is not aware of, but something is happening, his parent has taken note of that. That gives a reassurance to the child. Once you've noticed it, simplify the environment. Simplify the environment in the form of removing the clutter, giving the child a space. Moving on, number 3, be present to the child. Physically present. Be available. Give him more touch. You may take a day off from work and be around the child. Allow the child to potter around in the house. Let the rhythm go a little off that day. The child should be doing things that he wants to do in a slow pace. After that, just observe the child and you will see that the symptoms or the indications that the child is not well will start fading away, and then you just have to wait and watch for the child to get back to his normal self. Generally, when children are showing these behaviors, our first instinct is that you want to be angry, you want to shout, you want to blame, you may even want to hit. हम irritate हो जाते हैं, हम थक जाते हैं. But this is a time when you need to be more centered, more sympathetic and more connected with your child. Thank you.